In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync LinkedIn with Calendly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, syncing your LinkedIn with Calendly can streamline your scheduling and help you present a polished professional image. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen smoothly. First, you want to start by opening up Calendly. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look for the specific event link that you want to share on LinkedIn. You can either create a new event, or, if you already have the event set up, simply click on it and copy the event link. Now, after you've copied that link, it's time to switch gears and head over to LinkedIn. Open a new tab or window in your browser and go directly to LinkedIn. Once you're signed in, navigate to your profile. This is usually done by clicking on your profile picture or name, which is typically located at the top of the home page. Once you're on your profile page, look for a section that says Add Profile Section. This button is often located near the top of your profile, right by your profile photo and headline. Once you click on that, you will see several options. What you want to do is select Recommended. After selecting Recommended, you will notice a small plus sign or an Add button. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This is where the magic happens, because you'll be able to add a link to your profile. The next step is to click on Add Link. This is where you'll paste the Calendly link that you copied earlier. Simply right-click in the text box and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac to paste the link you copied. Now that you have the link in place, LinkedIn might prompt you to add a title or description for this link. Think about what you want potential connections to see when they view your profile. You might choose to write something like, "Schedule a meeting with me," or "Book a call." This is your opportunity to provide some context and encourage your connections or profile visitors to take action. Once you've added a title or description, make sure everything looks good. After you're satisfied with how it appears, find the button to save your changes. It could be labeled Save or Add, depending on what you'll see. Click that, and just like that, your Calendly link is now synced with your LinkedIn profile. Now, let's recap. We started by logging into Calendly and copying your event link. Then, we moved to your LinkedIn profile, where you added that link under the Recommended section. By doing this, you now make it easier for your connections to schedule time with you directly, improving your networking opportunities. It's essential to keep your professional profiles up to date, and by adding scheduling links, you lighten the load of back-and-forth messages trying to arrange a meeting. This feature not only saves time, but also establishes you as a professional who respects others' time, something that everyone appreciates in the business world. Thank you for spending your time with me today learning how to sync LinkedIn with Calendly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it leads to more meaningful connections and efficient scheduling in your professional life. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Happy networking, and I'll see you in the next video.